To fix Apple Intelligence not showing up on iPhone, start by ensuring your device is running the latest version of iOS. This is crucial as the latest updates often include bug fixes and improvements that may resolve the issue. Next, check if Siri is enabled on your device. Go to Settings, then Siri and search, and make sure the options to listen for Hey Siri. Press side button for Siri, and allow Siri when locked are all turned on. If Siri is enabled, try restarting your iPhone. This simple step can resolve many issues, including those related to Apple Intelligence. Press and hold the sleep-wake button until the power-off slider appears. Then slide it to the right to turn off your device. Wait a few seconds and press the sleep-wake button again until the Apple logo appears to turn it back on. Another step is to check if the Apple Intelligence feature is enabled in the Settings app. Go to Settings, then General, and select Dictionary. Ensure that the option to use Apple Intelligence is turned on. If none of the above steps work, try resetting the dictionary and other data by going to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and finally Reset. Select the option to reset dictionary and other data. This will not erase any personal data from your device but will reset the dictionary and other features to their default settings. Finally, if the issue persists, consider visiting an Apple store or contacting Apple support for further assistance. Apple support can help diagnose and resolve more complex issues related to Apple Intelligence not showing up on your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Apple Intelligence not showing up on your iPhone and enjoy the benefits of this feature. Remember to always keep your device updated and restart it periodically to maintain optimal performance.